Hi, I'm Pete Dark, Senior Relationship Manager at EDF. Welcome to the University of Wales Trinity St David. Energy is changing in the education sector. We're here to find out how. Hi Dan, how you doing? You okay?
Yeah, good thanks. Nice to see you again. Should we go and have a look around?
We're talking, of course, about solar energy. EDF have been working with the university and tech, and today we're excited to share that story.
So a few months ago, this was just an idea, and now we're running on solar.
Absolutely fantastic. So thanks all for coming. Dan, do you want to tell us how we achieved this solar project?
Well, in national surveys, students say it's important to them to study at a university that's committed to sustainability. We wanted to look at alternative ways to power our campuses. We've done the quick wins, but the problem is buildings like this are in built-up areas, so that rules out wind turbines. But we could go solar, so long as we could retrofit to our rooftops. That's where the tech framework came in with a quick and easy route to procurement.
So Paula, why is this good for the education sector?
Energy prices where they are, the business case for the installation of solar PV system makes sense. Not only is it cost efficient, but it supports their net zero journey. The first step is probably the most difficult. There's so many suppliers, it can be really confusing.
So that's when we all met at the tech member event, talking about the tech framework and its solar offering. Paula, do you want to tell us more?
Tech is owned by its members, so our framework is designed around what they need. We offer a simple, compliant route to market, saving time, cost and effort of procurement. We really do make that first step easy.
So Dan, as a member of the tech framework, how did it help you make those first steps?
Tech had a proven process, and EDF put their name to it, meaning we were dealing with a trusted and reliable energy partner. We quickly went from initial conversation to contract to our first retrofit solar generation up and working.
So Dylan, tell us, what's it powering?
Mae'n darparu ynni ar gyfer adeilad Dinefwr, sef un o'n adeiladau mwyaf ni, ac oherwydd y natur ymarferol i'r rhaglenni sydd o fewn yr adeilad, mae'n defnyddio ynni sylweddol. Ond oherwydd y gwaith yma, da ni'n medru darparu rhaglenni ni mewn ffordd cynaladwy.
Dan, this is the first project of its kind for the university. What does the future hold?
Well, it gives us something to point to say, look, imagine what we can do with tech and EDF, looking at new and exciting ways to power our campuses. This is just the start.
Dylan, you're training the next generation to lead and build a sustainable world. How does that make you feel?
Da ni'n teimlo'n hynod o falch, a da ni'n teimlo bod ni'n gwneud gwahaniaeth. Mae'r daith i net sero yn daith ansicr iawn, ond da ni'n credu bod yr atebion i'r ansicrwydd yna gyda myfyrwyr. Mae gan ni gyd gyfrifoldeb i'w hannog i feddwl mewn ffordd creadigol, ac o'r herwydd, a thrwy darparu rhaglenni fel hyn, da ni'n teimlo bod nhw'n gallu gadael gwaddol, sef byd mwy cynaladwy yn y dyfodol.
Well, thanks all, that's great insight, and I look forward to following your journey to net zero.
My generation appreciate being able to work and study inside an energy efficient building because it means that our future is looking brighter each day.
So it's one thing just putting out statements saying you're environmentally friendly, but actually putting investment into solar energy, that takes real commitment.